New York Zero Tolerance Law, Under 21 DWI Defense on Long Island. A zero tolerance charge can destroy an underage driver's license, education, work opportunities, and future prospects in an instant. New York's harsh zero tolerance law allows the DMV to take action against drivers under 21 for a BAC as low as .02, even though adults face DWI charges only at .08. These cases bypass criminal court entirely and go straight to DMV administrative hearings, but the consequences remain devastating for young drivers across Suffolk County. Under Vehicle and Traffic Law Section 1192A, enacted in 1995, any driver under 21 operating a vehicle with a BAC between .02 and .07 faces zero tolerance penalties. While technically a civil matter rather than a criminal conviction, zero tolerance violations carry mandatory license suspensions, substantial financial penalties, and permanent DMV record entries. A first zero tolerance offense results in a $125 civil penalty plus a $100 termination fee, totaling $225, along with a 6-month license suspension. A second violation carries the same financial penalties but triggers a 1-year license revocation or until the driver turns 21, whichever period lasts longer. Refusing a chemical test creates separate penalties entirely, with first-time refusal resulting in a $300 civil penalty plus $100 fee and at least 1 year of revocation. The distinction between zero tolerance, DWAI, and DWI charges depends on the driver's BAC level, with each carrying different court systems and penalty structures. An underage driver with a BAC of .08 or higher faces full criminal DWI charges regardless of age, moving the case from DMV hearings to criminal court. At .18 or above, an aggravated DWI charge applies, creating the most serious penalties available under New York law. DMV administrative hearings focus on 6 specific issues: whether the driver operated the vehicle, whether the officer made a lawful stop, and whether proper testing procedures were followed. Jason Bassett brings over 21 years of legal experience to zero tolerance defense, including his background as a former prosecutor and his membership in the National College for DUI Defense. He works directly with clients to evaluate the traffic stop, challenge testing procedures, examine DMV evidence, and develop possible defenses to protect driving privileges. For young drivers who depend on their license to reach school or work, losing driving privileges can derail education plans and employment opportunities. The attorney examines every aspect of the case, from the initial traffic stop to the chemical testing procedures, looking for procedural errors or constitutional violations. Even though zero tolerance cases avoid criminal court, they require skilled legal representation to navigate the DMV's administrative hearing process effectively. Call law offices of Jason Bassett, PC at 631-259-6060, located at 320 Carlton Avenue No. 4200, Central Islip, New York, 11722, to protect your driving privileges today.